Hey there, EGGGRAM fans! Today, we're cracking open a fresh batch of crypto news. From Bitcoin laws in El Salvador to major gains on meme coins, let's dive in. First up, El Salvador is reworking its Bitcoin law. The government is making adjustments to secure a $1.3 billion loan from the International Monetary Fund. Looks like crypto innovation meets international finance. Next, Iran is shifting gears on crypto. Instead of banning it, the government is introducing new regulations to bypass international sanctions and integrate cryptocurrencies into the economy. A bold move. Over in Russia, authorities have introduced a new electricity meter to detect illegal crypto mining operations. This could mark a major step in cracking down on unregulated energy use for mining. Attention all Telegram users. New malware is targeting crypto holders through fake influencers and bots on the platform. Always double-check links and stay safe, folks. Meanwhile, Binance's BNB token is on the rise, climbing 6.9% in just 24 hours to hit $698.3. The market is buzzing with activity. Have you checked your portfolio today? In other news, altcoin liquidations have hit a record $1.75 billion in a single day. This is the highest we've seen since May 2021. Just goes to show how volatile the market can be. And here's a wild success story. A trader turned $3,000 into a staggering $73 million by trading the meme coin PEPE. Who said memes can't make millions? Finally, Japanese crypto exchange Coincheck has made its debut on Nasdaq. This move highlights growing interest in crypto projects on traditional stock markets. Big things are happening. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, EGGGRAM isn't just a game. It's your gateway to the future of crypto. See you next time.